is Samuel Dendron, and I'm a member of Carolina's Outreach to Haiti. In 2011, this is when the organization started. This is where I grew up, right here in Valbrune, South Haiti. Um, my dad told me when he died, he would like this property to, and he wants us to use this property to help people in Valbrune. So this is why I started Carolina Outreach. So now we are in process of building a medical clinic. This is what we would like to do, build a medical clinic. But right now we just build it 15 by 20 for now. This is where they have a clinic once a month. And then I have group from the state come over here once a year just to help out. But back here, I want this to be secure. So this is why this week we come over here and get this fence done. That was a lot of work, but the people in this area help us a lot. Get those posts done by hand. It take a long time, but today they came here and install it, and I thank God for it. And Pastor Will joined the organization in 2012, I think. And since then, he's been with us, come to Haiti several times.
Yeah, I've been coming about twice a year since 2012. I've been coming with the big group every summer, but I always try to make a special trip sometime near the end of the year, mostly. This year's a little different. We're actually coming just a couple months before the big trip. It's very important that we had this back area secure because we have a lot of things that we want to do. For the first time of Carolina Outreach to Hades since they've begun, we're actually going to do everything right here on our own property, and I think that's very big. That's the same thing I heard Sam say back in 2012 when I first met him, was that he wanted to have a full medical clinic and all of the Bible school and everything that we do. He wants it to be right here central and on our property. And for the first time, like I said, this will be Carolina Outreach to Haiti. The week will be right here on our property. No traveling around, moving around. We'll come right here every day, and we'll have Bible school. We'll be doing water bucket filter training. We'll be teaching people how to use the moringa tree to better their health. We're going to have if you'll pan around, you'll see this whole area behind me will be set up with a stage, speakers, with seating. We're going to have a full revival for 2 nights. It's all about the gospel. It's all about what Christ has led us to do. In Matthew 26:19, he tells us to go out ye into the world and to minister to people, to bring them to me and let me help them. And Sam has a servant's heart, and that's what I saw the first time I met him. And that's why I've been a part of this organization for so long, because I feel the same passion that he has for Haiti, and he's my brother. We just have a different mother.
That's right.
The work began a little bit before we came here. We set up, we've done some fundraising. The organization has done some fundraising, and thanks to Carolina Panthers in Charlotte, we set up enough money and sent down here for them to begin. They actually poured all of the posts around the perimeter of the property. We have 171 posts that were poured before we got here so that they would be dry and ready to place in the ground. We dug all the holes in a couple days. It was pretty tiresome. It's a lot of rock and things in the ground. I think we're still wore out from that, but it was worth it. It's worth every bit of it, because now just within the last hour we have completed the fence project. They're now just building 2 gates. We have 2 gates, 2 entrances, one at the back and one at the side for Paul, who is kin to Sam, is going to take care of the property for us when we're not here. But God has blessed us so much this week. We have had so much help from the locals, and I just want to thank God for them, because they're really what made it happen. From collecting rocks, the children collected rocks for us and placed them in all the holes. The cement mixing, placing the poles at the hole themselves. I mean, these poles weigh close to 100 pounds. So, imagine carrying 171 poles. 100 pounds each, carry them a length of a football field.
What are you asking for people to help with this particular project? How can they help? Is this project already paid for, or?
This project is not paid for. We've only, out of 171 posts, actually sold probably 15. Probably 15 poles are actually paid for, and they're only $10 each. And we'll put your name on it. We'll put whatever you want on it. And but we've been doing our name and some scripture that is important to us. But I just ask $10. I mean, that's less than a meal like you'll eat tonight at Applebee's. You can just get the appetizer and give us $10, and we'll put your name on a post when we come back in June.
So if you need more information, just call us 704-920-0301. We will be glad to hear from you.
And what's the website again?
The website is carolinasoutreach.org. Is that correct?
CO2Haiti.org.
I messed it up.
It's okay.
Yeah, take it off.
We'll take care of it. We'll get it right back home.
Okay.
CO2Haiti.org.
Thank you both.
Thank you.
Yes!